Dear students, in this video we will learn how to type in a C program, execute and compile it in the code.karunya.edu environment. Okay, for that you have to use your web browser. I am using Google Chrome web browser here. Okay, so in this web browser just you type in code.karunya.edu. So when you give, a screen will be displayed to you like this. Okay, now here it prompts us to enter the Seraph ID. Okay, now you have to enter your Seraph ID and your Seraph password. Make sure that you are entering the correct ID and password, and the password will not be visible to you, so you need not panic. Just when you give the correct username and password, it will be displaying like this. Okay, now this is the welcome screen. Okay, now you can clear the screen using the command clear. This is optional. If you want, you can clear it. Okay, so I am clearing it. So now I will show you what are the various files that I have already created. Okay, for that we will be using the command ls. It is nothing but list. So here I have 3 C programs. Okay, now I will walk you through in creating a new C program. Okay, so let us name the program to be add.c. Okay, so I am using the command vi space, okay, your file name .c. You can give any file name you want. I am giving add.c. Make sure that you don't give space between your file name. You have to give the space here. Okay, after vi you have to give the space, but not between the file name. Like if I am going to use add new, I should use add new continuously. Okay, .c. So if I give like this, a new it will take to a new editor. Okay, here you can type in the command, but now if you try typing it, it will not happen. You have to go, you have to be in the insert mode. So now what is the file name? It is add_new.c. So here you can see at the bottom left corner, it is add_new.c. Okay, so now just press the insert key. So now when you press the insert key, it will be changed to the insert mode. Now you can type in your program. Okay, so I am just typing the program here. Hash include stu.h, then I am giving main. Okay, I am initializing 2 variables a and b with some values. Okay, and then I am initializing another variable c. I am giving c is equal to a plus b, a plus b. Okay, sorry. Okay, now printf sum of a and a. Just giving the variable c. Okay, now I have completed the program. You have to come out of the screen to the we came in, right, the initial screen. You have to go there. So for that, just you have to press the escape key. Okay, when you press the escape key, this insert option has, the insert keyboard has vanished. Now you are ready to quit the program. So for that, I will press shift colon, okay, shift colon W Q and then exclamatory. For exclamatory it is shift and 1 button. If you press shift and numeral 1 button, you will get exclamatory symbol. Okay, so this is the command that will help you in coming out of the program from the editor to the prompt. Okay, so now we are back to the prompt. Now let us list and see what whether this program has been added or not. So I am giving ls. So when I give ls, see here the new program has been added. Okay, now the next step is we have completed the program. So the next step is we have to compile the program. So for compilation, the code is cc, okay, file name .c. So the file name is add new.c. So I don't have any errors inside my program, hence nothing is displayed. If you have any error or you have misspelled the file name, you will get an error here. Okay, now everything is perfect. Now we are ready to like watch the output. So for that you have to give ./a.out. So if I give this, what happened? The sum of A and B is, there is some mistake here. Let me check out what mistake I've done in the code. So it's add new.c. Yes, right. There is a spelling mistake I've done here. So once again, after correcting the mistake, I'm going to the main screen. Okay, now I should again compile. Okay, cc, because I have made a change there, I should again compile. Cc add new.c. right? Now we have to give, what is the next command? We have to give ./a.out. If I give it, now I've got the output. The sum of A and B is 25. I've given the value of A as 10 and B as 15. So the total is 25. Right? Hope you all have understood how to type in the program, compile and execute it. Thank you.